Hi guys, welcome to this video tutorial for xTool F1. Today we will show you how to replace the switch circuit board of the smoke purifier for F1. This video has mainly two parts. In the first part, we will show you how to remove the used switch circuit board. In the second part, we will show you how to install the new switch circuit board. Now let's dive right in. Power off the machine and disconnect the power cable. Uncover the 4 rubber pads. Remove the 8 screws with the Phillips screwdriver. Take out the bottom cover. Take out the used switch circuit board and unplug its wire. Put the new switch circuit board in and connect its wire. Put the bottom cover back on. Tighten the 8 screws. Attach the 4 rubber pads. Power off the machine and disconnect the power cable. Press the start button. If the machine works properly, the fan is replaced successfully. Feel free to contact the xTool support team if you have any questions.